Can you see it?
Not yet.
I hear you. Pennington. Have you returned, Captain? At long last, will you free me?
What happens if we do?
Then I will crawl and climb and knock, and the captain will taste his own medicine.
You're Deborah, right? Pennington had you arrested and clapped you in chains.
A broken path, locked away, forgotten, down in the dark. Lift the heavy chains from her, free me.
If we do, will you talk with us?
No chit-chat then.
Here it comes. The chains are coming undone. This is your chance.
Get this next time.
Chained for so long!
Overhead, the roof is crumbling.
Damn it.
Call on me, Red.
None shall stand! Chained in the darkness for so long.
Release her!
So long I feared the light.
I need a sign! Can't get rid of all this.
He accused me! Took away my friend!
I need a sign!
Come on, Red!
Damn it! Antea? Antea!
Damn chains! I can see the weakenings.
You are all paid! No way out! There is no way out! The darkness devours me. It's me.
Where are you, Antea? Come at me. I'll beat you.
Free me! Can I join in too? Thank you.
I will comfort you!
Call on me, Red. I can see the weaker links.
They will know the pit!
Call on me, Red.
It's over. Go in peace.
No peace, no pardon, naught but darkness and decay.
No. All this must stop and you must stop it.
Dark decay and the maddest words of the worst of men.
Whose words? Pennington's?
The worst of men.
When the maddening silence becomes the darkest night, the faintest voice is welcome as the dawn.
Deborah.